Good morning. Welcome back English Grammar class 5. Now we are going to learn next chapter from English Grammar, chapter number 9, adjective. Describing words, adjective. An adjective describes a noun like as taste, color, smells, look, size, feel, sound, how many, behavior. All these are as a adjective which is describe a noun. Let's see. There are 8 types of parts of speech. First one, noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction, interjection. Now we are going to learn the third kind of part of speech, adjective. Let's see the definition of adjective. Adjectives. An adjective is a word that describes a noun. It means adjective gives the extra information or tell something more about the noun. Let's see some example of adjective. For example, a hungry lion. It means the noun lion tell that how he is hungry. Hungry is the adjective. An oval table. From the example, oval is the adjective. Next, a yellow box. Yellow, which is describing about the box. It means the yellow is the adjective. Now, a golden pen. The golden, which is describe about pen, that is the more information which is tell about the pen. How it is? It was a golden pen. So, the golden is the adjective. Let's understood some rules about adjective. Adjective generally occur before the nouns they describe. It means most of time adjective come before the noun. Let's see some example of one. The angry elephant trumpeted loudly. It means here the elephant is the noun and adjective is angry. So before noun that adjective come most of sentence. One more example. A diamond is precious stone. Here a diamond is precious stone. Here is the diamond. So the word noun is describing about the adjective. Next, an adjective can also occur in the predicate without being followed by a noun. Here predicate, we already know that in the second chapter from grammar workbook we already learn about the predicate. Predicate, it means subject and predicate. We know that subject, it means the naming word and remaining all sentence which is included in the predicate. So here adjective may be, in rare case the adjective occur after the predicate without being followed by noun. For example, the elephant was angry. It means the describing word about the elephant, that is the angry, which is come after the noun. One more example. A diamond is precious. So Here, a diamond which is described about what is the diamond, how it is precious. So, the adjective can also occur after the noun. Let's understood more rules about the adjective. Formation of adjective from other words. You can form adjective from other words by using word endings such as ous, ful, less, yal, ive. It means when we form the adjective, that words we have to join at the end of the word. Able, ARY and ish, that words also include or join with the adjective. See, formation of adjective. 1. Formation of adjective from nouns. Courage, courageous. Truth, truthful. Health, healthy. Tooth, toothless. Nation, national. Second one, formation of adjective from verbs. Attract, attractive. Depend, dependable. Imagine, imaginary. Third one, formation of adjective from other adjective. Black, blackish. Historic, historical. So, these are the formation of adjective from other words. I hope do you understood about the part of speech, that one adjective. Try to understood the definition and example of adjective. Thank you.